Previously on Third Wheel.
Are you watching pornography?
Oops. I just spent $2,000 for your girlfriend to have sex with my prostitute.
You guys are just jealous that you're not having all the sex that I'm having.
Why don't Morgan have sex with me like this? Oh, it smells like peanuts.
Brian, you're a worthless piece of shit that's never gonna amount to anything. And you know what? You blame everybody else for your problems when the root is actually you itself.
You know what? My problem is bitches like you, because all my life, bitches like fucking you have ruined my life. You don't fucking go out with me. You don't even let me talk to me. Shut the fuck up. This is my time to say my fucking piece. I sit there quietly, listen to you and Nick have fucking sex all the fucking time. And you guys cannot pay any attention to me.
Sex is normal. It's a normal thing for freaking human beings to do.
You stole my friend.
I did not steal your friend, okay? He likes me, he's dating me, and guess what? We happen to live in the same goddamn quarters, and that pisses you off.
You're nothing special. I've seen girls like you in and out of here.
You're just pissed because you never get laid.
Oh, look at that! You had an epiphany! You just admitted something! Why don't you just admit that you are a fucking cunt?
You're a fuck.
Nice.
Motherfucker, apologize? Oh yeah! Why don't I just apologize to all the women I've called cunt? Maybe you'd like me to track down my third grade teacher, Mrs. Pruitt, who gave me a C- in fractions. And I'll say, I guess you're not a cunt. Or Amy, my sixth grade girlfriend, who I called a cunt because she told on me for grabbing her cunt. Or your sister, who called this house and woke me the fuck up. And I let her know in one word, cunt, never to do that again. Or that lady in line at Walmart who wrote a check in fucking 2014. Or my aunt who forgot my birthday. Or that lady who fucking fucked with me so much that I had to give her change at work. Or that fucking cat in that alley. Or maybe you'd like me to apologize to my fucking mother. Yeah, for the time at my uncle's wedding where I got so fucking hammered on booze because I didn't want to eat the salmon and I was out on the dance floor grinding on my fucking second cousin. And you know what? My mom came out and said, Brian, you might want to take a break and drink water. And I said, you drink water, cunt.
You called your mother a cunt?
You bet your ass I did. Michelle. Michelle.
Got it, dude.
Guys, little roommate conference, little one-on-one on you. Got some news for you. I'm no longer single. I have a girlfriend, a mate, someone who's not my sister, who's a female, who's with me. From now on, Facebook status, together. There's gonna be hearts with two people. Valentine's Day is gonna be celebrated not so much alone or with you two anymore, but with me and another. And I want to introduce you to her. But before I do, I just want to remind you that it's gonna be me and her from now on. Beth?
Howdy, partners!
This is Beth.
I'm Beth.
She's my girlfriend.
Girlfriend.
I am her boy lover guy.
Boy
And
lover guy.
That's Nick, that's Michelle.
Okay, Beth, where are you from?
She's from around.
Texas!
Okay.
Sure.
Texas, yeah.
Texas.
From the Texas.
Wow, that's great. Tell us about home in Texas, Beth.
Texas! Bang, bang! My father, he is professional bull rider. Bull rider and I do the rodeo and the lasso, and my mother, she is from the Houston, and she is a dancer in the Houston dance group.
Yeah.
All right. What do you do, Beth?
In the Texas, I work at the execution chair. I do the execution for the people. For the bad people, I push the buzzer, the people go kill.
That works.
Don't fuck with Texas.
Don't fuck with Texas.
Okay with me.
So now that I have a girlfriend,
Friend.
I am going to be fornicating quite a bit.
I'm the girl.
I am going to have sex with her everywhere on her.
On the sex everywhere in Texas. You have the routing
I
number?
am going to have
The routing number? You write that down?
I'm gonna
International
have
routing.
sex.
I'm so horny! I'm horny all
She's
the
horny.
time!
She's horny
I'm
right
horny
now.
all the time!
With Texas.
T!
T!
E!
A!
X!
X!
Kai!
Kai!
E!
E!
S!
S!
Texas!
Texas! That's right. I'm going to Texas with Beth, and I'm done
On
with
the
you
horse!
two.
On the horse! Come on, baby! Grab my hip and we go on the horse to the Texas! Yoo-hoo!
There is no way she's from Texas.